start. The petitioner had filed objection to the first notice. The petitioner said that an area 14 Bigha 18 Biswa situated at village Sheikhpur was exclusive holding of the father of the petitioner, which was transferred by gift by his father to the petitioner prior to the cut-off dated, that is 24/1/1971, and as a result of this gift the petitioner had come into possession of the said land and he became Bhumidhar of the said land during the lifetime of his father. It is alleged that no objection was filed by the state to the objection filed by the petitioner. The parties lead their evidence and arguments were heard on 30/11/1988 and the next date was fixed as 14/12/1988. However, no order was passed on 14/12/1988 and thereafter the case was fixed for 4/1/1989 for orders. On 4/1/1989, an application was moved on behalf of the state before the prescribed authority for withdrawing the notice dated 24/11/1987 with liberty to file a fresh notice. The said application was allowed on the same date, that is 4/1/1989, by the prescribed authority and notice was allowed to be withdrawn. Against the order dated 4/1/1989 passed by the prescribed authority, the petitioner filed an appeal before the Divisional Commissioner, Faizabad. The petitioner also prayed for staying further proceedings before the prescribed authority. The Divisional Commissioner, by order dated 16/5/1989, directed the parties to maintain status quo till 30/5/1989. The appeal filed by the petitioner was decided by the Divisional Commissioner, by order dated 11/7/1991, and set aside the order dated 4/1/1989 and remanded the matter back to the file of prescribed authority and directed him to decide the application after inviting objection from the petitioner. After remand by the Divisional Commissioner to the prescribed authority, the petitioner had filed objection to the application dated 4/1/1989 filed by the state for withdrawing the first notice dated 24/11/1987. The petitioner said that application for withdrawal of the first notice did not contain any reason that why such an application was moved. The petitioner prayed for rejection of the application. However, the prescribed authority, by order dated 15/12/1993, rejected the application dated 4/1/1989 for withdrawing the first notice dated 24/11/1987. On 15/12/1993, second application for withdrawing the first notice was again moved by the state. It is said that when the application dated 15/12/1993 for withdrawing the first notice dated 24/11/1987 was still pending for disposal before the prescribed authority, second impugned notice under Section 10 of the Act 1960 dated 4/1/1989 was issued. The petitioner had filed objection to the second notice and the proceedings in respect of the second notice are also pending before the prescribed authority. The petitioner thereafter has filed this writ petition challenging the issuance of the second notice. Over.